Hey guys, it's Heidi. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today, considering it's the holiday season, I wanted to share with you one of the DIYs that I made last year, which are acrylic pour ornaments. I always loved receiving a handmade gift and I love making these, so I wanted to share them with you so that way maybe you could make them and give them out to your family and friends as well like I did. So without further ado, let's get started. The supplies you will need are clear plastic ornaments, paint color of your choice, Floetrol, you can get it at your local hardware store, clear plastic cups, craft or popsicle sticks, clear tape, disposable gloves, twist ties, a rack and container to put them in. Step 1 is to prepare the ornament. Go ahead and snip the tag off, grab your clear tape, proceed to start wrapping the top of the bulb head until you can't see any more open spots. This will help prevent the paint from getting onto the top, which will cause a lot bigger of a mess and harder to get off. After you are done wrapping the top, go ahead and take a twist tie and loop it through the ring there, so that way you can secure it onto your rack.
It's twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love.
Step 2 is to start preparing your paint. Go ahead and grab a plastic cup and your Floetrol. Make sure to give the Floetrol a good shake before you open it up and use it.
So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Then you're going to take the Floetrol and put some in the bottom of your cup. Go ahead and use your judgment here of how much you need based on how much paint you're going to be mixing. Then you're going to want to take your first paint color and squeeze some into the bottom of your cup with the Floetrol. I am using white here for my first paint color. Take a popsicle stick and start mixing the paint and Floetrol together until it's well combined.
While we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas.
Continue this process with each one of your paint colors until you are finished.
So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh,
Step 3 is starting to pour the paint onto the ornaments. Go ahead and grab yourself a pair of gloves to put on because this will get messy. After you get your gloves on, just go ahead and take one of your paint colors and start pouring the paint on top of your bulb. You can kind of take free will here now of which colors you want to add and what design you'd like them. I am just doing a couple basic ones of just letting the paint drip down off the bulb. Continue pouring paint onto your bulb until you are happy with how it turns out.
If everyone is here to celebrate one day, we have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way. And oh, this time of year, we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday.
Also, don't forget to have fun with this. They aren't supposed to be perfect, they're supposed to be messy, handmade, and special for you.
Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Step 4 is when you're happy with how your design turned out, go ahead and let them dry for 12 to 24 hours. Hey guys, it's the next day. These have been drying all night on this rack here. They were drying in that Rubbermaid container, but I took them out of the Rubbermaid container once they were completely dry because when I'm taking these off of the rack, I didn't want them to fall into the wet paint and get ruined. So I took that out, and now we're gonna take them off the rack and see how they look finished. Step 5 is when they are completely dry, go ahead and take them off the rack with a twist tie. Then proceed to start removing the tape from the top of the bulb. There may be some paint that seeped through the little cracks in the tape, but that's okay. You can just go ahead and take some rubbing alcohol and wipe it off. After you have wiped away the excess with the rubbing alcohol, they should be all shiny and ready to go. And they're done! These turned out awesome. These were so fun to make and super easy. You can easily make this in any of your favorite colors or the person that you're making for's favorite colors. You can add glitter, you can add anything you want. So these were just a couple basic designs, but the sky is the limit basically when you're making these. I would love to see how these turned out for you if you try these. I have an Instagram now, so my Instagram is @happinesswithheidi. I so appreciate you being here, and I hope this video gave you a little bit more joy and some inspiration on something to do for the upcoming holidays. I hope you guys liked the video. Please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe before you go. I'll be having more videos like this in the future, and I can't wait to see you there. Have a great rest of your day. Bye!